ChatGPT is an AI chatbot with all kinds of uses. We had it give us random nouns, verbs, adjectives, and places and put those into Midjourney, an AI program that generates any image from a text prompt.
Man,
these are pretty...
okay.
I feel like these are
sus at the end. Run, eat, sleep. Dude, what is this, a motivational Instagram post?
Run, eat, sleep, repeat.
Grind is one of them.
I know. Hashtag beast mode at the very end. For my noun, I'm gonna say ocean. I feel like that's a very good base to start with. Hard or loud? Loud ocean, hard ocean. I think I want a hard.
Where do you want this hard ocean?
Iceland.
Oh, that's smart.
Speak. Ooh, what is Midjourney gonna give us, man?
Oh, dude, I love this so much. This is like actually fun.
Yeah. So mine is hard ocean speaking in Iceland, and yours is beautiful computer eating in Rio de Janeiro.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some very different art. Yeah.
Oh my God! That is sick,
What?
dude.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
This is actually like kind of weird to look at, knowing like a machine made this. Okay. Let's go look at yours now.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my God, look at that perspective.
That's so interesting. You said eating, and Midjourney basically just put us in a diner. That's also something that's interesting about how AI interprets what we give it. 10 more nouns, verbs, adjectives, and 10 more places. Give me 10 nouns about gaming.
Controller, console, game. Okay.
All right.
These are good.
Yeah, these are good. This works. I almost want the AI to make art about AI.
I want to go like complete craziness. I want it to get crazier as we get through this video.
Yeah. Okay, so I have an addictive screen customizing in an online gaming server. I feel like it's just word vomit. And then you have, what is yours?
A thrilling character leveling up in an arcade.
Yours is better, I think. I think yours is probably gonna be the cooler. And actually, leave us a comment and let us know which of these in each category you guys think is better. Okay. Oh man!
The colors, dude.
Oh, dude, that's so, it's like retro.
This guy has like the first development of Neuralink or something. What the hell is that?
In an arcade. He's using it to play Pac-Man. Oh man, I don't think mine's gonna be better than that, dude. I don't know how it could be.
It might be. Oh my God!
Whoa. This looks like
that car.
This looks like off of some like PC company's actual promotional material. It is off of their promotional. That's it. That's what the letters are.
So yours was an addictive screen customizing online gaming server.
I think mine was just too nonsensical. That's something I'm also learning with this. You kind of have to be deliberate with your phrasing.
Round 3. All right, we should get a little crazy with the wording now.
Let's get something outlandish. I did gaming. Yeah. You say something. You pick the qualifier.
Okay, so give me 10 post-apocalyptic nouns. Ooh, I like this, dude. Mutated creatures.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, chat GDP. Good job. I want something like tragically beautiful this time. Give me refugee.
Holy dude. I feel so creative doing this.
We're not doing it. AI is doing it. So what's the vibe you're gonna try and go for here then?
Maybe something like from a huge event where the radioactive thing exploded.
Oh, Chernobyl?
Yeah, I'm going for like Chernobyl like creatures.
Yeah. So I have desperate refugee wandering in mutated wilderness. Man, I'm excited to see what it creates there. And you have
dangerous mutated creatures protecting a radiation zone.
Wow, dude, this is gonna be an interesting one.
If you had an AI robot, what would you have it do?
That's just so far away from my life right now. I don't even know if I'd feel comfortable with it.
Yeah, if it was shaped in a human, I think that makes it a lot more like ominous and creepy.
Yeah.
You're just like in bed at night and you shut it off and it's like sitting like, in your room.
Oh God, dude. Or you like go to your kitchen at 3 in the morning, you woke up and you're, Why do we always in media assume we want the robots to look humanoid? I want the robot to look like my refrigerator. Yeah, exactly. Like, I almost don't even want it to speak. I want it to like just like have a screen that I read.
So basically the refrigerator.
Yeah. Here it is.
Oh, this is yours.
So this is mine. Whoa. Oh my God, dude.
Gosh. This looks like a movie poster.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on with the top left. Yeah, the top left, look, that guy is going through it, man.
Holy shit, I want to see this movie.
I would watch this. This almost looks like Dune.
Okay, and then
yours should be right below that somewhere. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Oh my God! and look at that. This is creepy, dude.
Whoa. Dude, I feel like yours is like the antagonist of the movie of mine.
Wild.
This is so weird, man. It's so weird to think how an AI made this. Let's switch it up. We just did post-apocalyptic. Yeah. Give me 10
I like this.
Wholesome nouns.
Aww. So mine is friendship, peaceful, hug, meadow. And yours is kindness, gentle, smile, lake.
Yes. This is the first one I think we're doing without actually making it a sentence. We're just putting in the words. So I'm wondering how this is going to turn out. You think people are going to be falling in love with AI?
Yes.
How? I mean, you know what's interesting? There's already like, robots for like pleasure.
For what? For what exactly?
You know what I'm talking about, man. There's robots for that. People are gonna be falling in love with them.
Can you explain in ultra realistic 4K detail?
Yeah. There was a whole movie about that recently, Her with Joaquin Phoenix. So basically the premise of that movie is this guy buys an Alexa and Scarlett Johansson is the voice, so she's hot. And
so she's hot.
He falls in love with her. By the end of the movie, he realizes while he's talking to her, she admits that she is also interacting and talking to, and in fact, involved in relationships with hundreds of other people, including other AI.
So she's cheating.
So so his AI girlfriend cheats on him. Yeah. But he falls in love and basically has his heart broken by AI.
That is down bad to a new level, dude. Holy. Okay, what if there's like a new Tinder and like the programmers or the coders, whoever like develops the app, they put half of the people are AI.
Like, look at how TikTok works. It curates something specifically made for you and your interests. Imagine that as like a romantic partner. That is like, that's like terrifying, actually.
That would be kind of fun though if you're bored. Oh my god, that's so cute!
That's so adorable, that's so man. Cute, dude. Is that yours or mine?
This is mine, it's the hug.
That's the hug. That's so cute, man. Isn't it crazy how AI just made us a dystopian movie about how
cut to that.
Yeah, mutant refugees are like suffering, and then it's this. Okay, what's mine look like? I hope mine turned out good. Aw.
That is pretty wholesome.
That's like, come to Sweden. It's like a promotional.
Come to Sicily.
What is Cancanele? This really does look like a tourism advertisement. Yours is way better. Actually, speaking of that, if you guys want to vote on which of these pieces of art are better, me and Wave, if you're watching this video as it came out, the day it came out, me and Wave are going to be posting all of this on our Instagrams, and you can vote in whose pieces of art turned out better. So follow us on Instagram. I am Danny Delight. Wave is Electricity Wave. There's also a link in the description.
Round 5 is going to be just absolute chaos.
So we're going to have a different word for each category.
Yeah, let's do that.
So I'll pick one, you pick one, I'll pick one, you pick one.
Yeah, so let's think like different themes and just a lot of contrast and just obscurity.
Okay, you go first. You go first.
Give me 10 elemental nouns. That's exciting.
That's interesting. Fire, water, earth, air, ice, lightning, wind, thunder, metal, wood. Ooh.
I love this.
Okay, I have something. Give me 10 anime adjectives.
Epic, cute, flash. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, I do too.
How would you describe like Pirates of the Caribbean? I want to do something like that.
Swashbuckling.
Give me 10 pirate verbs. If swashbuckling is in this.
Oh, there we go! At the end, man.
Give me 10 cosmic places. Oh my god, I'm in.
Hell yeah.
Celestial body?
Have you seen Treasure Planet, by the way? We basically are just making Treasure Planet.
The day that AI gets funnier than me, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah. I think that day's already come for me, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Mine was flashy ice attack, celestial body. Yours was epic lightning, swashbuckle, cosmic dust cloud.
I am so excited, bro. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Okay, okay. Whoa.
Dude.
Whoa. I was expecting somebody on like a pirate ship, to be honest.
Well, it's a cosmic dust cloud.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's literally what you wrote.
Yeah, that's true.
I might cut this out of the video and sell this.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, dude. It looks like Thor's hammer right here.
This is so crazy looking.
Dude, imagine getting hit with this, like a snowball fight.
To get sent back in time.
Yeah, it doesn't even hit your face. It just like goes through your molecules and evaporates you.
Yeah. This is
Wow.
so weird to, like, I know I keep saying it, but it's so weird to think that AI made this. A machine made this.
Ran some ones and zeros, and here we are.
That's really all that it did. That's so
Wow.
weird.
Do you think you have a favorite?
Maybe the refugee one. It was so sad. It really did feel like, man, what is this guy going through?
Which is so crazy. Like a computer
A
generated
computer
that,
made me
and
feel
we're like,
that.
yeah, we're like, dude, you're falling in love, man. We're obeying. I feel like my favorite one has to be the hug one, dude.
Yeah, that was so cute.
It was fun though overall. I had.
This was a lot of fun. Let us know if you
Yeah.
guys want us to do this again, actually, because I would actually be super down to continue making AI
Yes.
art using ChatGPT and Midjourney.
Stay human.
Stay human, man. Don't date AI.
Unless
Unless.